Lagay natin dito minimum. Check natin, ano nga ba yung minimum value ng mga undeleted cell? Undeleted, we have 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6. Saan dyan yung pinakamaliit? Basically, that is 2. So, yan. Again, yung 2, i-add natin sa intersection. Nasaan yung intersection? Ito, intersection siya ng dalawang line, vertical and horizontal, same with this one. So, i-add natin yung 2 dito sa value ng 9, magiging 11. Ito ay magiging 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Tapos, ima-minus naman natin to sa mga undeleted cell. Ito, yung 6 na yan. Then, the rest number, yung ibang mga number na hindi natin na pag-usapan will remain the same. Meaning to say, gagawa ulit tayo ng bago nating matrix. Everyone, welcome to our next topic, and we will be going to discuss here all about assignment modeling, or simply assignment models. Alright, so for the types of assignment model problem, it is just like our previous topic regarding the transportation problem, wherein we have two different types of problems, which are the balanced and unbalanced problems. So just like on the transportation, it is just the same on our assignment model problem. We have balanced and unbalanced model na mga problem natin. And dito, ang ibibigay ko sa inyo is an unbalanced assignment model agad. Dahil alam ko na alam nyo na kung paano natin madaling makikita ang pinagkaiba ng balance and unbalanced. Simply, kapag balanced, our number of columns and rows is equal for assignment modeling, and for unbalanced, of course, unequal. And for unbalanced problem, just like what we have done in our transportation problem, we used to have another row or another column depending on anong row or column, kung saan ba yung kulang, kung row or column ba yung kulang. Now, we used to have our dummy account or dummy row or dummy column. Ganon din dito sa assignment model problem. No, I hope you're getting it. So, with regards to the assignment model, when we say assignment model, this is actually a special type of linear programming technique that requires a unique set of constraints. So, an assignment model, the goal here is, of course, to find the optimal assignments of agents. Meaning, we are having the staffing here. Kanino ba dapat ibibigay itong ganitong trabaho given some certain conditions? No, just tulad nung term na ginagamit sa kanya, assignment. We are assigning some staff, we are assigning some people with specific job. So that's why it is called assignment models. So we are finding the optimal assignment of agent to task without assigning an agent more than once. Yun yung isa sa characteristics nito. Isang beses lang siya maibibigay sa specific na job, no? Without assigning an agent more than once, and ensuring that all tasks are completed. And lastly, of course, at a minimum cost. So in assignment modeling, we are going to solve this assignment model using the Hungarian method. And this Hungarian method is a manual technique of solving an assignment problem. So for the steps ng ating Hungarian method, we actually have two phases para sa solution. For the phase 1, this is what we call the row and column reduction. So for the row and column reduction, the first step is subtract the minimum value of each row from the entries of that row. Step number 2 is to subtract the minimum value of each column from the entries of that column. Meaning to say, our step 1 is for the row, our step 2 for the column. That's how easy the phase 1 is for the Hungarian method. For the phase 2, it is quite complicated. This is all about the optimization of the problem. And for the step 1 under the phase 2, we should draw a minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros of matrix. So, to do it, we need to conduct the row scanning and the column scanning. For the row scanning, we should start from the first row. Ask the following question: is there exactly one zero in that row? If yes, mark a square around the zero entry and draw a vertical line passing through the zero. Otherwise, skip that row. For the second part of the row scanning, after scanning the last row, check whether all the zeros are covered with lines. If not, if yes, go to step 2. If not, do column scanning. For the column scanning, this is almost the same with the row scanning. For the column scanning, starting from the first column, ask the following question: is there exactly one zero in that column? If yes, mark a square around the zero entry and draw a horizontal line passing through that zero. Otherwise, skip that column. So almost the same, right? And after scanning the last column, check whether all the zeros are covered with lines. And those are for step 1. Actually, we have 5 steps in the phase 2 of the Hungarian method. For the step 2, check whether the number of square mark is equal to the number of rows of the matrix. If yes, go to step 5. Otherwise, go to step 3 if it's not equal yet. So for the step 3, identify the minimum value of the undeleted cell values, and we will going to identify that for the purpose of adding it to the minimum undeleted cell value at the intersection points of the presented matrix. And secondly, we should subtract the minimum undeleted cell value from all the undeleted cell values. And letter C, all other entries remain the same. For the step 4, this is totally equal with the step 1, meaning to say our step 4 is we should go back to the step 1. And if all are okay, step 1 going down, no, we should now have our step 5, which is to determine the total optimum solution by adding the original cost of all the cell with squares. So I hope nakuha nyo kahit pa paano, pero mukhang malaki yung chance na nahilo or hindi nyo ganun na gets yung ating mga steps. So, for you to be able to get this topic more easily, I have an example and babalik-balikan natin itong steps na to from time to time para ma-gets ninyo kung paano siya sinusolve. No, sa una, medyo nakakalito, pero I'm assuring you guys na napakadali lang nito. Pagdating sa dulo, pag nakuha mo na yung optimal value, ay, ganun lang pala yun. Napakadali lang pala. Mabilis lang pala. Meron technique, lagi niyong tatandaan yan. In learning algorithms, we always have a technique, no? Kahit hindi mo sundin yung nasa books, kahit hindi mo sundin yung lahat ng steps. Actually, itong steps na to, napaka-konti na yan. Pinakonti ko na. And yung ituturo ko sa inyo is, ayun na yung nakikita ko na pinakamabilis na way. Again, tulad ng nabanggit ko last time, lahat ng mga topics under operations research and management science, somehow complicated siya if you self-study it from the book. So, yung mga ina-explain ko dito, mas maano na lang, mas mabilis, mas madaling maintindihan. No? So, hope you get it. Let's have our example here. So, for the example, we will be using the company HSBC. I hope you are all familiar here. HSBC is actually a bank, one of the biggest and most famous, popular bank in the world. So, HSBC, our example. So, here we have Donald. Mr. Donald is the division head of HSBC. By the way, this is the application of the operations research in banking and, of course, in staffing. No? More specifically, in staffing. Again, we have Mr. Donald, the division head of HSBC for Western Europe. 3 branches were just opened, and he has to assign 1 branch manager for each of the branches. He has shortlisted 4 candidates for the new positions and has to assign them based on minimum cost possible. So, mainly, our objective here is to assign those managers. With the minimum cost. So, that's it. The cost of assigning a manager to each of the 3 branches is determined. Kasi iba-iba to no? Hindi naman, of course, yung mismong paglipat niya doon sa ating new location, yun yung mga cost. Hindi na binanggit ko anong mga specific cost yun nandito. Total na ito. No? So, it will cost, just like this one, it will cost $10,000 to to assign Arnold to Oslo. No? So, kapag si Arnold is nasa Oslo, $10,000 ang mga gastos. But if he will going to assign Arnold to Davos, magiging $20,000. And kapag sa Dublin, $14,000. So, yun yung cost if si Arnold ang ating i-assign sa tatlong location na yun. Either of the three location na yun. It will cost 16,000 naman to assign Brittany to Oslo, 11,000 to Davos, and $17,000 to Dublin. It will cost $15,000 to assign Christine to Oslo, $12,000 to Davos, and $19,000 to Dublin. It will cost $13,000 to assign Daniel to Oslo, $18,000 to Davos, and $21,000 to Dublin. So as you can see, we have 4 managers na pinagpipilian natin na pwedeng sila ang i-assign natin sa tatlong location. So kaya siya hindi naging balance kasi tatlo lang yung location natin. Then 4 ang ating choices ng mga managers. Now I hope you're getting now the situation of our problem. The question now is, which manager should Donald assign to what location? Sino ang karapat-dapat for Oslo, for Davos, and for Dublin na mag-manage ng bagong HSBC branch? No, and to a new location, who will not be assigned to a new location at all? Kasi nga kulang ng isang branch, di ba? 4 ang choices. So, malamang may isang manager na hindi siya mabibigyan ng bagong assignment niya for the branch kung saan man, no? Solve the problem using Hungarian method. So, let's start for the solution of our assignment model. So, for the given, let's have our given first. Let's have our given. Guys, just like before, I hope you have your pen, paper, and calculator with you para habang ako ay magsusolve din kayo dyan, sabayan nyo ako para magamay natin pare-pareho ang ating solution. So, ang cost natin, no, dahil lahat naman, kung papasinin nyo, no, lahat naman ay naka $1,000 para maliit ang ating mga solution, gawin na lang natin na ganito, lahat naka 1,000. Para ang lalagay natin 10, 16, ganun na lang. Understood na siya na 1,000 siya. Na naka 1,000 siya. So, ang mga managers natin, una, we have Arnold. We have Brittany. We have Christine. And last one, who's the last one? Daniel. Alright. We have here manager. Here we have the location. Lagay natin dito location. Yung tatlo na branches. Yan. First location, we have Oslo. We have Davos. And we have Dublin. Okay. So, let's check. First, Arnold daw. Arnold. So, it will cost 10,000 to assign Arnold to Oslo. So, we have Arnold to Oslo 10. Will not be going to have the 1,000, the 30 dahil dito nakalagay na siya, no, para mas maikli. Ito yung purpose nun. And 20,000 to Davos, 14,000 to Dublin. So, 20 here. Then, dito naman, we have 14. So, for Brittany, 16,000 Oslo. 16. And 11 for Davao, 17 Dublin. 11 Davao, 17 Dublin. Okay, next we have Christine. It will cost $15,000 to assign Christine to Oslo. So, 15 dito. 12 Davos, 19 Dublin. 12 and 19. Ayan. Daniel, for Daniel na manager, 13,000 daw to Oslo. 13 here. And 18 Davos, 21 Dublin. 18 and 21. Okay. Now, just like what we used to solve before sa ating transportation problem, no? Tinitingnan muna natin kung yung problem ba natin is balanced or unbalanced. In our case, guys, since hindi ito konsepto ng demand and supply, ganun kasi sa transportation, no? Demand and supply, ibabangga mo, gaano kalaki yung shipment dito, considering yung cost. Dito kasi, our case here is tao tapos location, no? So, since hindi much yung number of locations natin, we only have 3, no? Oslo, Davos, and Dublin. And yung pinagpipilian natin na manager is 4. So, kaya siya nagiging unbalanced. Kapag ganyan yung case, ito na talaga yung given, no? Pero pwede tayong magdagdag ng dami tulad ng ginagawa natin before. Magdadagdag tayo, not dito, dahil magiging 5 yan lalo, kung saan yung kulang. No? Meaning, yung kulang yung location. Dagdag tayo ng dami na location. No? So, ayan. Dami. Sir, ano yung magiging cost nun? Since this is just a dummy, lagi nating nilalagay dyan, na cost nila is 0. No? Just like on our transportation models. And that makes our matrix balanced na. Okay? So, ngayon, balikan natin yung mga pinagsasabi ko kanina na mga steps in solving. Yung binasa ko, no? Na alam kong hindi nyo pa na-gets dahil wala pa kayo mismo sa ating problem. So, unahin natin yung phase 1. Sabi daw sa phase 1, step 1, subtract the minimum value of each row from the entries of that row. Therefore, kailangan muna nating hanapin kung ano ba yung minimum value nung isang row. Kada row daw to. Tapos pag nahanap natin yung minimum value nun, isa-subtract natin sila. No, I hope you get it. So, let's have our minimum value. Let's find our minimum value. And, eto, check natin ang minimum. Min na lang. Pinakamaliit for Arnold, 0. Pinakamaliit for Britney, 0. Christine, 0. Daniel, 0. Oh, puro 0. Dahil nga sa dami. And actually, guys, sabi doon pala sa ating step 1 ng phase 1, isasubtract natin yung minimum value from all the values. And kung kasi ang goal nito, para makagawa tayo ng bagong matrix, bagong table, no? Kumbaga sa simplex iteration, parang ganun. Kung isasubtract natin, 10 minus 0, that is 10. 20 minus 0, that is 20. 14 minus 0, that is 14. Alam nyo na yan, napaka-basic, no? Hanggang sa baba, ganun. And nonsense kung gagawa agad tayo ng panibagong table, inulit mo lang, no? Niretype mo lang ito. Kapag ganun, pwede naman, kung masipag ka, gawa ka ng bagong table. Pero since dahil lahat nga ito 0, pare-pareho lang yung magiging data mo sa loob. No? And if that's the case, balik tayo kung ano yung kasunod niya. Considering nagawa na natin yung subtraction, ito nakuha natin to eh. Ito pala, itong minimum value. Yung subtraction niya from the entry ay yung hindi natin ginawa dahil same din yung ibibigay sa atin. No? I hope you get it. So, okay tayo for step 1. For step 2, sabi dito, subtract the minimum value of each column from the entries of that column. Ayun, ito pwede na. Kasi wala nang 0 na na makikita tayo. So, kunin natin yung minimum, tapos isubtract lahat. Per column naman tayo. So, dito naman. Baka malito kayo kasi per column sabi mo, tapos magdadagdag ka dito sa gilid. No, dito mo kukunin yung minimum. Kasi nga, pababa, dito tayo titingin. Ganun yun. Ito kanina, per row tayo. Ang tingin natin, pahalang. No? So, minimum ng kada column natin. Minimum for the Oslo location, 10, 16, 15, 13. Of course, minimum niya is 10. Pinakamaliit, 10. Next, for Davos, 20, 11, 12, 18. That is 11. For Dublin, we have 14, 17, 19, 21. That is 14. For the dummy, of course, 0. Now, ayan na yung minimum, no? Isa-subtract na daw natin itong mga to sa ating itong lahat ng data natin per column. Isa-subtract natin sa minimum niya. So, for us to be able to have that matrix, kailangan natin gumawa ng bago, no? So, kopyahin muna natin. Yan, kopyahin natin. Manager, then yung mga names nila. We have Arnold. I hope sinusundan niyo ako. Sinusolve niyo rin kasabay ko, no? Para magamay ninyo. Arnold, Brittany, Christine, and Daniel. Ayan. And the location, Oslo, Davos, Dublin, Dummy. This is location. Okay. 10, lahat na ma-minus dito. 10 minus 10, that is 0. 16 minus 10, 15 minus 10, 13 minus 10. That will be 6, 5, and 3. So, 6, oops. Ang hirap, napipindot ko eh. Please. Six, 5, and 3. Okay, next. For Davos. 20 minus 11, that is 9. 11 minus 11, that is 0. This is 12 minus 11, that is 1. 18 minus 11, that is 7. So, 1 and 7. Next, Dublin. 14 minus 14, that is 0. Next, 17 minus 14, that is 3. Next, 19 minus 14, that is 5. Okay. Next, we have 21 minus 14, that is 7. Okay, for the dummy, since ang minimum nila is 0, then lahat sila 0. So, lahat ito will be 0 pa rin. Yun. Okay. Balikan natin yung steps, no? Check natin kung okay na tayo doon para maka-next na tayo. So, okay na tayo ng step 1 kanina. Subtract the minimum value of each column from the entries of that column. Nagawa na natin to. Meaning to say, we're now all done with the phase 1 ng ating steps in solving. Proceed na tayo ngayon sa phase 2. Pinakauna, sabi niya sa phase 2, no, optimization na ito ng problem. Kumbaga, yung phase 1, prepare pa lang natin yung data. No, preparation pa lang. Phase 2 natin, sabi niya dito ng step 1, draw a minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros of matrix. Para gawin yun, nandito yung procedure natin. Una, row scanning. Pangalawa, yung column scanning. For the row scanning, sabi niya dito, start daw tayo sa first row. ask the following question. Tanong natin sa sarili natin, no? Is there exactly 1 0 in that row? Kapag nag-iisa na lang daw yung 0 doon sa row na yon, mark a square around that 0 entry and draw a vertical line. Take note, vertical, not horizontal. Titingin tayo pa horizontal sa row, pero ang marking natin ng line is vertical. Now, passing through that 0. Otherwise, skip that row. So, para makuha nyo yun, gawin natin. Eh, nandito na tayo. Ito. So, dagdag na lang tayo dito para ma-check natin. Ito sariling technique ko na ito. No? Wala na to sa mga books. I don't know kung ginawa din ito ng iba. Pero, hindi ko siya nakita. Ako na ito. Personal na technique ko na. So, tatanungin natin kung 1-0 ba. And sabi doon, kapag nag-iisa daw, i-box, tapos gawa tayo ng vertical line. No? So, bakit ako dito naglagay? Dahil ang perspective natin pa horizontal, no? Per row. So, sa row ni Arnold, iisa nga lang ba yung 0? Yes or no? So, hindi. No. Kay Britney ba? Isa na lang? Hindi. Dalawa sila. Meron dito, meron dito. So, no. Dapat isa lang ang hanap natin. Kay Christine, 5150. Uy, ito, isa lang. Anong sabi kapag daw nakahanap tayo ng isa lang? I-box natin, tapos gawa tayo, lagyan natin siya ng vertical line na dadaan dito sa nakabox na yan. Meaning, yung buong dami na column will be deleted. Ayan. Vertical lines meaning, dinilit mo siya, binura mo siya, no? So, next, sa row ba ni Daniel, isa lang ba yung 0? 377. Ito wala na, nabura na eh. So, no na. Hindi na yes, naburado na siya. Ayun yung sinasabi ng first step for optimization ng problem. Pero sa row scanning pa lang yan, no? Okay na yan, check na natin. Sabi dito sa pangalawa, after scanning the last row, check whether all the zeros are covered with lines. If yes, go to step 2. Laktawan natin yung B. Pero pag hindi pa, do a column scanning. Check natin. May 0 pa ba? Na-erase na ba yung mga 0? Hindi pa eh. Meron pa dito, and dito. So, meaning to say, gagawa pa tayo, gagawin pa natin yung column scanning. And for the column scanning, this is almost the same with the row scanning. Sabi niya dito, starting from the first column, ask the following question. Is there exactly 1 0 in that column? If yes, mark a square around that 0 entry and draw a horizontal line. Baliktad doon sa row scanning. Ang tingin natin dito sa column scanning, ang perspective natin patayo, no, per column. Pero pag nakakita tayo ng 0, ang gagawin natin sa kanya, yung nag-iisang 0 lang, no, sa isang column. Ang gagawin natin sa kanya is we should draw a horizontal line, no, not vertical, passing through that 0. Otherwise, skip that column. So, sige, let's do the column scanning. So, 1-0 na nga lang ba? Check Oslo. Uy, ito. Yes, no? Isa lang eh. Dito lang yung 0 natin. Anong sabi? I-box daw. Tapos, i-erase natin. Lagay tayo ng line. Yun. Okay. For Davos, uy, meron din. Pababa tayo titingin ha. Pababa. Ayan. May isang 0. So, yes. No? Then, erase daw. For Dublin, 5 and 7 na lang ang natira. So, this will be no. No, for dummy, wala na. Na-delete na to kanina. So, no na yan. No? And, ayun na yung ating column scanning. Balikan natin yung step. Column scanning, okay na to. No? Okay. So, na-check natin yung A and B, meaning okay na tayo sa step 1. So, step 2 na tayo. Ay, sorry, sabi niya dito pala. After scanning the last column, check whether all the zeros are covered with the lines. No, na-cover naman, no, yung 3 0 kanina. So, okay na ito. Okay na yan. So, yan, ready na tayo for step 2. For step 2, check whether the number of square mark is equal to the number of rows of the matrix. If equal sila, go to step 5. Otherwise, go to step 3. So, bilangin natin. Ilan na ba yung na-squarean natin? No, dito na lang siguro. Lagay natin yan, squares. O, diba? Ito, personal ano ko na to guys. Personal technique ko na. Squares. Ilan yung squares? 1, 2, ito hindi natin na square, no? Ito yung reason bakit siya na, na lagyan ng line. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, 3 ang squares natin. Yung rows down natin, ito yung rows, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4. Oops! Hindi equal. Anong sabi? Kapag hindi equal, balik tayo sa step. Sabi niya kanina, kapag daw hindi equal, go to step 3. Ayan. Ang step 3 is to identify. O, di ba? Patapos na tayo. Palapit na tayo sa step 5. Identify the minimum value of the undeleted cell values. Ibig sabihin, yung mga hindi nalinyahan, yung mga hindi na-delete, yung mga walang line. Tignan daw natin doon, ano doon sa kanila, sa mga value na yun, yung pinakamaliit. No? And, yung value makukuha natin, yung smallest value, o yung minimum value na makukuha natin doon sa mga undeleted na cell, i-add natin yon. Sabi dito, add the minimum undeleted cell value at the intersection points. Take note, no? At the intersection points of the present matrix. Sa intersection, i-add. Pero, isusubtract naman siya sa minimum undeleted cell, yung minimum undeleted cell natin sa lahat ng undeleted cell values. Then, yung mga hindi nabanggit, yung mga hindi kasama sa dalawa, remain the same. No, pareho yung value nila. Ito guys is for our next na matrix. So, sige, gawin natin yung sinasabi ng ating step number 3. Minimum value, hanapin muna natin. So, minimum value natin. Sa mga hindi daw na linyahan, no, we have 5, 1, 5, 3, 7, and 7. Uy, ang pinakamaliit sa kanila ay yung 1. Okay, gawin natin yung sinabi niya. Etong 1 daw na to, ipa-plus natin siya dito. Intersection to, di ba? Ito, tapos ito, intersection din yan. Tapos, lahat naman, ima-minus natin tong 1 na to sa mga hindi nalinyahan. Yan. Tapos yung iba, sabi niya, remain the same. Ano yung iba na yun? Ito yun, yung mga data na ito, yung mga naguhitan. No, except doon sa intersection. So, let's start. Gawin na natin siya. Gawa tayo ng another na matrix. Kopyahin muna ulit natin. Ayan. Let's have our managers. List ng ating mga managers. We have Arnold. We have Brittany. We have here Christine. And we have Daniel. Here we have the location. We have here Oslo, Davos, Dublin, and ang ating dummy. Okay. Ayan. Gawin na natin yung rule na sinasabi niya. Yung 1, i-add natin sa value ng intersection, which is, ang value ng intersection ay parehong 0. Therefore, yung unang dalawang value under ng dummy column will be 1. 1, tapos 1. Okay. Then, lahat naman to, ima-minus daw natin yung mga hindi na-delete, no, na cell. Ima-minus natin sila ng 1. So, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 1 will be 0, and so on. So, this will be 4, 0, and 4. Dito yun, no, kay Christine, 4, 0, and 4. Next, magiging 2, 6, and 6. 2, 6, and 6. Tapos sabi niya, no, sa letter C kanina, lahat daw will remain the same, yung mga hindi nagalaw. So, this will be 0, 9, and 0. Lagay natin dito sa taas, 0, 9, and 0. And dito will be 6, 0, and 3. 6, 0, and 3. Yung dalawa sa dummy, that is 0 pa rin. Okay, 0. Alright. Now, balikan natin. Nasaan na tayo? Tapos na tayo sa step 3, no? Balikan natin siya ngayon. Uy, nagawa na natin ito. Okay na itong step 2. Tapos yung step 3, okay na rin ito. Step, ano tayo? Step number 4. Ang step number 4 is same with the step 1. So, meaning, ulitin daw natin yung step 1. Again, sabi sa step 1, draw a minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros of matrix. Row scanning, tapos column scanning. I hope naalala nyo pa. Ito yung tinatanong natin yung sarili natin kung isang nga lang ba yung zero doon. If yes, square, tapos gawa tayo ng line. If row scanning ang ginagawa, that will be vertical line. If column scanning ang ginagawa, that will be horizontal line. So, sige, let's do this. Step 4. 1, 0. Tanong natin kanina no? Isa lang ba yung 0 dyan? Yes or no? Dalawa ito So, no. Ayan. Dito naman. Uy, ito, isa lang. No? Box daw. And since this is row scanning, ang gagawin natin ay pababa. No? So, delete yan. Okay. Next, pristine column. For, ito, di na siya consider dahil na-delete na siya. No? Na-cancel na siya. 4, 4, 0. Uy, isa na lang siya. So, yes. Nasaan? Ito ang ibabox natin. Then, vertical line. No? So, Daniel, 2. Wala na to. Deleted na. 6 and deleted na rin. So, this will be no. Ayan. So, balikan natin yung ating steps. Kapag daw natapos na natin yung row scanning, sabi niya dito, no? Entry the passing line to the 0, otherwise skip that row. After scanning the last row, check whether all the zeros are covered with lines. If yes, go to step 2. And kapag hindi pa lahat covered with line, gawin daw natin yung column scanning. Na-cover na nga ba lahat ng 0? Check natin. Oops, hindi pa No, may 0 pa dito sa Oslo at sa Dublin. Which is, dapat ma-cover muna sila. Ang sabi doon, since hindi pa nako-cover, gawin daw natin yung ating column scanning. Sige, gawin natin. Dagdag tayo dito ng line. So, 1, 0. This is for column scanning. So, isa na nga lang ba yung 0 for the Oslo na column? So, 0, 6, 4, 2, yes. No? So, square natin yan. Then, lagay tayo ng horizontal line. Okay. So, for Davos, since wala naman na to, lahat, no na yan. Same with dummy, no na yan. Sa Dublin ba? May 0 dito, pero na-delete na siya kanina. Dahil dito nga sa Oslo. So, okay na yan. Di na siya i-consider. 3, 4, 6 na ang ating naiwan. No, and this will be no. Ayan. Okay na ang ating step 1. Since nandun tayo sa step 1, pinabalik tayo ni step 4 sa step 1 Okay na to. Okay na ang B. After scanning the last column, check whether all the zeros are covered with lines. Na-cover na, no? So, okay na yan. Check whether the number, step 2 tayo, no? Check whether the number of square marks is equal to the number of rows of the matrix. If yes, go to step 5. Otherwise, go to step 3. Check natin kung pareho na sila. Squares natin. Ilan na yung mga na-squarean natin na 0? We have 1, 2, 3. So, yan. 3. Kulang pa rin. Mukhang kulang pa rin. 3. Tapos, ang rows natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, ayun lang, no? Hindi pa rin sila equal. And kapag ganon, ulitin natin yung sinabi kanina, yung inulit natin to, ginawa natin to kanina. Kapag ganon, hindi pa rin equal, no? Proceed daw tayo sa step 3. Ayun. Which is, identify yung minimum value ng mga hindi na-delete na cell. Tapos, i-add natin yon sa intersection point. Pero, ima-minus naman yon sa mga undeleted cell. Then, yung iba remain the same. I hope naalala nyo pa yung step na yon. So, let's have it now. Lagay natin dito, minimum. Check natin, ano nga ba yung minimum value ng mga undeleted cell? Undeleted, we have 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6. Saan dyan yung pinakamaliit? Basically, that is 2. So, yan. Again, yung 2, i-add natin sa intersection. Nasaan yung intersection? Ito, intersection siya ng dalawang line. Vertical and horizontal. Same with this one. So, i-add natin yung 2 dito sa value ng 9. Magiging 11. Ito ay magiging 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. Tapos, ima-minus naman natin to sa mga undeleted cell. Ito, yung 6 na yan. Then, the rest number, yung ibang mga number na hindi natin na pag-usapan will remain the same. Meaning to say, gagawa ulit tayo ng bago natin matrix. Okay, so let's copy this one. Ulitin natin. I hope this time patapos na talaga tayo, no? Ganun lang naman ang assignment modeling. I hope nakukuha nyo na yung ating algorithm kung paano siya gumagana. Paulit-ulit lang hanggat hindi sila nag-i-equal. Ang palatandaan nyo dyan na tapos na kayo, pa nag-equal na to, yung na-squarean nyo, tsaka yung number of rows nyo. So, we have here managers. We have Arnold. We have Brittany. We have Christine. And we have Daniel. Of location. Oslo, Davos, Dublin, and lastly we have the dummy. Okay. 2, ang ating minimum, i-add sa intersection, which is 9, magiging 11, tapos ito magiging 3, under ng Davos and dummy. So, we have here 11, tapos 3. Okay? And yung 2 na yan, ima-minus naman daw sila sa undeleted cells, which are 6, 4, and 2. So, this will be 4, 2, and 0. So, we have here 4, 2, and 0. Next, ano pa yung undeleted? Ito naman. Now, 3, 4, and 6 minus 2, this will be 1, 2, and 4. So, let's write here 1, 2, and 4. And all cells will remain the same. 0 dito, 0 dito. Ayan, 0 and 0. For Davos, 0, 0, 6. 0, 0, and 6. For dummy, 1, 0, and 0. We have 1, 0, and 0. So, ayan na. Okay na tayo doon sa pinapagawa niya. Balikan natin yung steps. No, step 4 na daw ulit. Sabi ni step 4, step 1 ka ulit. Pabalik-balik, no, step 1 ulit. Again, ang step 1 is to do the row scanning and column scanning. By this time, third time na to, sana gamay nyo na siya. Ito yung is there 1, 0 na natitira. Ito yun. So, 1, 0 na nga lang ba? 1, 0 na lang. 0, 11, 0, 3. Oy, sorry, pero no. Now, next, Brittany. 4, 0, 1, 1. Uy, yes. No? And, ang ating magiging line is vertical since we are doing the row scanning. For the Christine, we have 2. Since ito ay na-delete na, kahit 0 siya, hindi natin siya i-honor. parang ang mangyayari, 2, 2 tapos 0. Uy, 1 na lang yun kapag ganun. No? Kahit pa sabihin may 0 dyan, nabutan na siya. So, this will be boxed and vertical line. Ayan, vertical line. Next for Daniel, we have 0. Wala na to. 4, wala natin to. Uy, yes. Isa na nga lang siya. So, box natin yan. And vertical line. So, ganun lang kadali. Sabi kanina, di ba, malalaman mong tapos ka na sa row scanning kapag lahat ng 0 is na-delete na. Pero since meron pa ditong naiwan, magpo-proceed pa po tayo for column scanning. No? So, check natin dito. For column scanning, meron pa bang isang 0 dito? Wala na, nabura mo na lahat. So, no. Same with Davos. No. Same with Dami. No. Dito sa Dublin, yes, meron pa pong isa. And ang magiging line natin is hindi vertical, but rather horizontal. Dahil we are doing column scanning. No? And kapag ganon, this will be the time na kahit di tayo bumalik sa steps, no? Alam kong gamay nyo na. This will be the time na i-check down natin if pantay na ba yung bilang ng squares natin and ng ating rows. Ang row natin ay 4. 2, 3, 4. At ang ating square ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Uy, 4 na. Ibig pong sabihin, pantay na sila. No, and, guys, you'll check now, pantay na sila. Ito na yan. Pantay na eh. Hindi, balikan natin yung steps, no? Sabi niya dito, ito, saan ba banda yun? Ito yan eh. Check whether the number of square mark is equal to the number of rows of the matrix. If yes, go to step 5. Uy, ito na tayo, na hindi natin nagagawa kanina. Go to step 5. Otherwise, go to step 3. Wala na yan. Tapos na tayo dyan. No? So, go to step 5. Ang sabi sa atin, step 5 daw is to determine the optimum solution. Ito na, final answer na. By adding the original cost of all the cells with squares. Ayun naman pala. No, ibig sabihin, guys, if you'll check this, lahat ng may square, ayan yung proper na assignment nila. Diyan sila ilalagay. Para magawa natin yung step 5, gawa tayo ng bagong matrix, tapos ilagay natin yung original cost diyan. No, so, kopyahin muna natin. We have here cost. Naka in 1,000. Tapos, we have here the list of our managers. Arnold, Brittany, Christine, and Damien. We have here Oslo. We have Davos. We have Dublin. And our dummy location. Check natin, no, saan yung mga may square dito. Daniel going to Oslo. Ano yung original na cost nun? Ito yun, no, given. Daniel going to Oslo, 13. Lagay natin doon. 13. Ibig sabihin, si Daniel ay ilalagay natin sa Oslo na branch. Sa bagong branch. Ang total cost natin, lagay natin dito na total cost. Pati dito. Total cost per manager and per location. So, total cost. Meaning, guys, if nilagay natin si Daniel sa Oslo, hindi naman pwedeng siya rin yung manager ng iba. No, nakakapagod naman yun. Hindi niya nakaya yun. So, 0 na to lahat. Doon siya sa Oslo bago niyang branch na i-manage. So, this will be 13. Next square, ito. Si Britney daw, dapat doon siya sa Davos. And how much yun? Britney going to Davos, that is 11. So, Britney going to Davos, 11. And kung dyan siya, hindi na siya dito sa Oslo and sa Dublin. And mas lalong sa dami. Dahil wala namang ganang location, dami nga no? So, this will be 11. And, si Arnold ay sa Dublin. How much yun? Arnold to Dublin, that is 14. So, Arnold to Dublin, 14. Since nasa Dublin na siya, this will be 0, 0, and 0. Total cost, 14. For Christine, ito pala yung last, no? Last na 0. Si Christine daw, doon siya sa dami. And, dami nga siya. That will be 0. Sorry, Christine. Pero you will not be placed to any of the new location. Ang sakit for 15. Yan siya. And this will be 0. For the location, lagyan natin yung total cost, guys. 13, 11, 14, 0. Total natin sila. Yung buong algorithm, kung paano tayo nagdesisyon, guys, ay nagkakahalaga ng 14, 11, plus 13. Same din dito yan, no? 13, 11, 14, that is 38 or 38 dahil ito ay naka $1,000, no? $1,000. Ito yung final. Wherein, si Arnold ay sa Dublin, si Britney ay sa Davos, si Christine ay hindi siya mailalagay sa kahit anong location, and si Daniel will be placed on Oslo. No? So, ito ang minimum cost natin. Imagine, ganun ka-importante ang assignment modeling. Dahil, lalo na ngayon, na we are in the world na napakabilis ng changes. We are into globalization na eh. Yung Jollibee nga, dati Pilipinas lang, pero ngayon, kahit ibang bansa, meron. No? So, what if, ganun yung case mo, kailangan mong ipwesto yung mga nagpapalaki kayo, kumbaga sa strategic management, no? Nasa grow and build na phase kayo wherein nag-expand kayo, expansion phase. Ito yung mga problem na ma-encounter nyo, and itong assignment modeling can help you to solve those kinds of problem. No, specifically in placement, in staffing. Sino ilalagay natin dito and dito. Yun nga lang, ang kino-consider natin dito is just the cost. No? And I hope you learn it. Kasi kung titignan nyo, no? 38,000. Tapos, ang nakuha lang natin dito is ito. Mga maliliit lang. Though, ito, titignan mo naman, si Arnold, dito tayo sa given, si Arnold, pag nilagay siya sa Oslo, 10 lang. Eh, sir, bakit hindi na lang si Arnold ang ilalagay natin sa Oslo? Mas mura pa siya. Pwede kong sagutin yan, pero I will choose na mamaya na sagutin. Dito muna tayo sa Davos. Sa Davos, wala tayong problema. Si Britney ang pinakamaliit na cost. Okay yan. Sa Dublin, wala tayong problema. No? Siya ang pinakamaliit na cost. Ito kasi si Oslo, kung ibibigay mo, bakit, ang tanong, no? Bakit si Daniel? Bakit hindi si Arnold? Kasi sir, kasi po, no? Kaya ang napili natin dyan, is si Daniel, not si Arnold. Aside sa siya yung binigay ng algorithm natin using the Hungarian method. Kapag kasi pinili natin si Arnold sa Oslo 10, hindi na siya maibibigay sa Dublin. Nakasave tayo eh. Diba? Sabi mo, si Arnold dapat sa Oslo. So, nakasave ka dyan ng $3. Okay, wala kang problema dyan. Okay yun, nakasave tayo. Pero kung ilalagay mo kasi si Arnold sa Oslo, hindi mo siya pwedeng ilagay sa Dublin. And sabi ng algorithm natin, dapat sa Dublin si Arnold. And sabi din natin, without knowing how to do the Hungarian method, by just simply looking at this data, 14, 17, 19, 21, siya ang pinakamalit. Therefore, si Arnold ay sa Dublin talaga. No? Pero kung ipipilit mo na sa Oslo siya, sige, okay lang po. Ito, nakasave tayo kanina, no? Kung sa Oslo siya, sige, okay lang. Therefore, sino ang pipiliin mo for Dublin? Ang next na dyan is si Britney, 17. Nandun na nga siya sa Davos. No, ang next mo yan, kapag ganun ang sitwasyon, mapipili mo ngayon si Christine. 19 ang na-include mo. 19 minus yung 13 lang na dapat, no? 9 minus 3 will be 6. Nadagdagan ka pa ng 6. Nakatipid ka nga dito ng 3, nadagdagan ka naman ng cost na 6. No, therefore, kapag ganon yung pinili mo as a whole, no, kapag ganon yung naging combination mo, yung ating 38 na final answer, magpa-plus 3 ka ngayon. No, or magpa-plus 3, tama, magpa-plus 3 ka ngayon. Napalugi ka pa, no? Napagastos ka pa lalo. And ganyan kalaki ang naitutulong ni assignment modeling. Ganyan kalaki ang naitutulong ng Hungarian method for these types of problem. What if sobrang daming location? Tapos tinitignan mo lang siya on your instinct lang, no? Tinitignan mo na siya subjective. Ito kasi mas maliit, ito kasi ganyan. Hindi ka gumagamit ng OR. Hindi ka gumagamit ng management science. Napakalaki ng pwedeng maging impact niya pagdating sa costing. No? Sa accountancy, we have accountancy students. No? Malaki ang magiging effect nito sa ating mga financial statements, no? Tataas ang ating mga cost. What if we are not just talking all about the managers? What if pati sa mga ibang mga staff, no? Mga ibang tao na ibang positions, baka mas mahal pa nga yung location sa kanila kasi may mga tao na kailangan naka-stay in, ganun, blah blah blah. No, and ganun po. Ito, simple lang ito. 4 lang na manager, 3 location with 1 staff. Pero what if you are engaged with a multinational company? Napakabigat na isipin nito, napakabigat na decision nito. That's why we're having OR, we are having management science, and of course, ang ating software. No, and expect na ayun yung magiging next na discussion natin. And bukod doon, ang magiging next na topic natin, if you want to have your advanced study, ito po ang ating next na topic, network models or network modeling. So anyway, hindi muna ako mapapahapyaw sa network modeling, madadaanan nyo din yan. For now, I hope you learned something from our discussion. 38,000, that is the smallest, that is the minimum. And keep safe always. See you on our next presentation. No, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.